All right, so we got Matthew over here revitalizing our plastic. Now, a lot of these trucks that come from Texas, I shouldn't say a lot, all the trucks that come from Texas have the interiors baked out of them, so everything gets really faded. So what we do is we take a heat gun and we get the plastic just hot enough to have a little sheen or a shine to it, if you will, and it brings the color right back. So a little trick, we're using a Wagner heat gun at a pretty high temp. We found just all the way up works the best, and you just keep moving and it brings the color out. It actually takes out the little surface scratches as well. It works really well. So check out the difference in the two panels.